Looking for a highly equipped family vehicle with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid Limited in max steel. With adaptive cruise control with stop and go, the S Appearance Package, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and rear crosspath detection, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 10,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, dual pane panoramic sunroof, seat back video screens, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com. Stock number D6917.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory-backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.